Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how you can connect Google Maps to your car Bluetooth. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we need to do is before we go ahead and connect our Google Maps to our car Bluetooth, we first need to connect our phone to our car Bluetooth. So all we need to do is to just go right on ahead and make a new connection. So just go into settings right here and then make sure to go into your Bluetooth settings, and then if it is not yet connected, just go ahead and click on allow new connections. This will then go ahead and search for a new connection or any other devices which is available right here at the bottom. Go ahead and turn your car into Bluetooth pairing mode and just go ahead and connect them. So now that you have connected your phone to your car Bluetooth, then it should be something like this. So I have this called MB Bluetooth, which is for a Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connection. Then just go ahead and change the device type right here to car stereo up here. And then this will go ahead and change that. Now all you need to do then is to go ahead and add or search for a new navigation in Google Maps right here. So just go ahead and add or search for a new location, and then your phone will automatically detect that it is connected to your car's Bluetooth, and it will switch your Google Maps into car mode or driving mode. So this means that the UI will change slightly so that as if your phone will become a navigation feature. This is also automatically done when you are pairing or using your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.